Ficep introduces the monospindle drilling unit model Victory 11. The first and most imitated drilling unit for the steel construction industry in the world, working with the cantilever method, with the machine hanging on its loading table. The Victory automatically carries out drilling, tapping and countersinking, as well as other operations on all kinds of profiles and flat surfaces in the working area of 1 meter in height and 9 or more meters in length. A sturdy hydraulic hold-down clamps the material during the processing. The working cycle starts when a probe sensing device surveys the zero reference of the piece to be processed. The Victory is radio controlled by the operator through a wireless keyboard. The Ficep CNC with Ariane software enables the programming on the field, as well as the data loading through a USB port, or with a network host computer for remote control, even in wireless mode. The last generation electric and hydraulic systems are lodged on board of the machine. The electric system is based on the CAN bus technology that reduces the number of cables and allows easier installation and use of the machine. Thanks to vertical and horizontal rolls, the Victory's main body is hanging on a proper sturdy support crossing the loading table, cantilever. This support is equipped with a suitable rack that, thanks to a teethed pinion, allows the movement and positioning of the machine. In this way, the Victory can move over the floor level without interfering with the drill chips. 2 lateral devices stops the machine in case somebody enters its working area. A proper hydraulic power pack gives the necessary power for the tool's internal and external lubricating cooling operations. The drilling spindle is sturdy, very rigid, and slides on high-quality prismatic guides installed on the machine body on tables processed with CNC working centers. The spindle is driven by servo motors through ball screws. This guarantees the highest precision and the best control of the axes during all the different operations. The cycle starts thanks to an electronic sensor that surveys the piece origin and sends this information to the CNC. After the piece origin survey, the sturdy hydraulic hold-down clamps the piece and starts the working cycle following the instructions given by the CNC. The tool change is very easy and can be manually carried out in a few seconds thanks to the Ficep exclusive quick tool changer. No service keys are required. The drill lubrication can be internal or external in function of the type of tool used on the machine. The loading table can lodge profiles with different shapes and lengths. The Victory processes all the profiles in sequence according to the programs loaded on the CNC, and the operator, in masked time, can intervene to reposition the already processed pieces for a new operation while the machine is processing the following piece. Besides the profiles, the Victory can also process plates and flats that are kept in a vertical position thanks to simple magnetic devices. The flexibility of the Victory allows different combinations of drilling operations, for example on tubular profiles with symmetrical holes on the 2 flanges, side-by-side profiles, and so on. The spindle feed and speed control allows to carry out, beside the drilling operations, also tapping, countersinking, pointing operations. The drilling line Victory 11 is the ideal machine for the small and medium-sized steel constructions, to which it can offer low-cost investment, high productivity, great flexibility, reduced overall dimensions. Don't hesitate to contact our sales team and ask for brochures and more detailed information. Ficep at ficep.it. Ficep. Steel thinking.